Goldman Sachs just reported 300 million jobs at risk by 2027. That is not speculation. That is their official forecast. Right now, 94% of customer service roles face automation within 36 months. Amazon already replaced 4,000 call center workers with AI last quarter. Think your job is safe. Accounting departments are next. JP Morgan deployed coin software across 27,000 commercial loans. 0 human accountants required. That represents 47,000 positions eliminated in one sector alone. Data entry jobs are extinct by 2026. We are not guessing. This is documented. Look at your paycheck. If you handle repetitive tasks, your position is already being priced. Your employer is calculating replacement cost right now. Paralegal work follows the same path. Legal research automation cuts staff by 65%. This is happening faster than retraining programs can scale. The jobs disappearing are not entry-level. They are mid-tier. They are stable. They are ending. Your industry is next. Not maybe. Soon. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.